Hey y'all. So I have another Splendies. So y'all know Splendies is a monthly subscription. You can do monthly. I believe it's every 3 months. I can't remember, but I have the monthly subscription and it's $16.95 a month. The only thing I don't like about Splendies, it takes so long to get to you. I can't remember exactly what day of the month it comes out, but this one they did send me an email telling me it was going to be very late. It wasn't going to come out until the end of the month, and I believe they take the money out of my account the middle of the month. Yeah, I believe it's the second week. So they didn't ship this until the end of the month. It takes so long for some reason. I don't know why, but I believe everyone go out at the same time. It's something like that. I can't get with it, but it takes so long. And I have so many underwear, and I wanted this is my third time trying Splendies. Yeah, this is my third shipment. So this is the third time. So I put it on pause. So the good thing about it is you can cancel it free of charge anytime you want, or you can pause it. You can pause it up to 3 months. Or you can skip a month. You can just skip a month, pause it up to 3 months, or just cancel it completely for free, and it's all for free. So I paused it for 3 months because I have so many panties. All the Splendies panties I haven't even worn yet. Not even one of them. I haven't worn any yet. And I still have all those Savage X Fenty panties that I just got. And I have panties that's just all new. A lot of panties that's new. And I cleaned out my drawer. I threw away at least 50 panties I threw away. And I still have a whole drawer full of panties, and I organized them. So anywho, I paused it for 3 months. I don't know if I'm going to cancel. I'll probably still try them out. So I won't get my next one until August. So this will be the last one until August if I don't cancel. I do like their panties, but it just takes so long to get to me. I'm like that. Not that I'm anxious to wear them, but when I order something, I want my stuff to be there. I want it to come. It takes at least 2 to 3 weeks, if not a whole month, to come. So anyhow, Splendies, y'all have to do better with that. This is and if y'all haven't seen my other Splendies videos, check them out. I love the way they sent it though in the packaging. Ooh, these are pretty colors. Ooh, first one I see. And y'all know the first time I ever tried them, I had the 2X because that's my regular size. I saw that they ran small, so I got a 3X. So the last order was a 3X, and this one is a 3X. Ooh, these are pretty. These are cute. It reminds me of a peacock. Cute. Ooh, it got rouging in the back. Look at the little rouging in the back. They sexy. This cute. These are cute panties to wear with skirts. So cute. Like them little flare skirts. So cute with the lace and the bow. 3X, and they retail for, here we go, $12. Cute. And the inside is cotton white. So cute. Everybody leave a comment every time when you hear my mom laughing in the background. Wait, is something stuck? It's pulling. This part is pulling. Ooh, 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 ooh. Something pulling. Y'all see I have my Virtual Hugs pajamas on from Forever 21. Okay. Here we go. This is my first time wearing them. These are the worst scissors that I have. Okay. It was just an extra piece of thread that was pulling. I just took it off. Y'all probably can't see, but it was a piece of thread pulling. But I love these. They're cute. Nice and stretchy. See-through, satin. What material? You don't always got to see the material. This is 85% polyamide and 15% spandex. Oh, yeah. Okay. I know y'all probably like, just show us the other ones, but they're too cute. They're too cute. Okay, next is, ooh, I have a cotton pair. And I like how they'll send a satin one like that, a little dressy one, then they'll send a regular cotton one. This is the cotton. So cute. Nice and plain. These remind me of the turret panties that I have. Same exact color and everything. And 3X, $12. So yeah, I do recommend sizing up, especially if you got booty and hips like me and thighs, size up. But if you don't have booty and stuff, you should be fine. Cute. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention they send you 3 pairs, but I'm sure y'all probably saw my other videos. But if you didn't, and they do, ooh, this is a cute print. I don't have anything like this. Navy blue and white. These are cute. And is that, oh yeah, lace trim. I like that. Y'all need a close up of that. This is cute. Oh, you know what? I should have did a thumbnail with the package. I'm gonna do one. So cute. Because it's too stinking cute, and it's too stinking cute, and it's too stinking cute. They do have some good quality cute panties. I mean, it's worth it. The price is worth it. 3 for $16.95. But I'm not going to keep on getting panties and I'm not wearing them. It's not like I'm going anywhere. So it's like, and TMI, but 9 out of 10, I only have panties on. So it's not like I'm wearing panties all the time because I'm in the house most of the time. And when I'm not in the house, I'm on vacation. I haven't been on vacation in a while. So last time I was on vacation was for my birthday, Poconos. So yeah, I'm not really going anywhere. And when I do go somewhere, it's like, I don't need all those panties at once. Even though you can never have enough panties and I'm always going to buy panties. But for a subscription, I don't need to keep on getting panties like that. So it's good to pause it. That's why I like that you can pause it. And then if I do see something, because I missed out on the St. Patty's panties. Those are the ones I thought I was getting, but I missed out on those. So yeah, if it's a certain holiday, or because they do like holiday things, they do Christmas. Y'all saw for when I first started, it was like around Christmas. They gave me the doggies with the Santa Claus hat. So yeah, they do like little things for the holidays. So it is good to have, but I'm pausing it for now. But they're just cute and great quality, but they just take too long to come. That's the only kind that I hate, is it takes too long to come. But here they go. And I don't even care that they're cut small, because you can always go a size up. And they go up to 4X. They start at small to extra small, I believe. Extra small to 4X. So the plus size are called Volupties, and average size, I guess you want to say, they're called Splendies. Duh. But these are the Volupties because voluptuous. Plain on the word, voluptuous. Okay, so check out Splendies if you like. I mean, it's good to try it, even if you just try it once. And it's always a deal. You can always find a deal. You'll always see like marketing ads on Instagram, Facebook. I don't have any codes because I'm not sponsored. I mean, they didn't sponsor me or anything. I'm not an ambassador for them. I bought everything with my own coins. So I don't have like a code that I can give y'all. But you can always find a code, or you can find search Splendies, look at a YouTube video, or just search it and you'll see something come up. Because right now they have 3 pair panties for $7.60 I saw. And that's what drew me in. I either saw another YouTuber with them, which I did, and I always see it popping up on Facebook, and it's like, get 3 pair for this price, and it's good. 3 pair for $7 or something. That's going on right now on Facebook, and they always have something like that. So you can always find a deal, and then you can just cancel it, keep it, or skip it, see how you like it, and then pay the regular $16 if you want. $16.95, whatever it is. I feel like I'm all over the place, like I'm tongue-tied as usual. But yeah, so check them out if y'all like. So if y'all like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see. I got another Splendies in the mail. Let me know which color was your favorite. Once again, which print was your favorite? Which one y'all like the best? My favorite print is this one. I don't know. I love this one too because y'all know I love flowers. But the favorite print is this one because it's different. And my favorite one. I love these. But yeah, leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, I love you guys, y'all. Buy my fashion dolls. Bye, y'all.